No. Tell me that don't look wicked, mate. I'm gonna show you how I marinate this. This has already been washed, as you would know, with I've used lemon and vinegar again. Just gonna put some slices on these. Gonna marinate it in the actual oven dish, because then it can go straight in. Seasoning that I'm gonna be using. Chopped onions, ginger, garlic, some thyme, some all-purpose, some chicken seasoning, and I'm going to use lemon because I want it to have that lemon flavour. I'm also going to use a tiny bit of soy sauce as well. Throw that all in there. This is half a lemon that I'm using. Pop these in here. Using dark soy sauce. One tablespoon be popping in there. No, just mix. Just you want to marinate that properly. Now look at that. Tell me that don't look wicked, mate. Yes. Now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna let this sit in the fridge only for 45 minutes, an hour. The foil on it, I've taken the foil off it and it was in there for about 10-15 minutes. Piece of that out. Cut a couple of bits off. So just look how that breaks off. Even if you look at the middle, I've cut that, how that's still nice and moist in there.